Hello friends, how are you all? Trust all of us are well. Now, once again, that old question has come up as to how did I reduce from 148 kgs to 90 and below. Well, for that purpose, I also use some spices. Surprised? Spices? Weight loss? Well, yes, spices also help to reduce weight. How? They kickstart your metabolism, they increase the rate of metabolism, increase digestion, and help to break down the fat. And that's how weight loss occurs. Well, what are those spices? Well, friends, watch the video and find out what those spices are. Well friends, how was the video? And trust me, start using these spices and you are going to start losing your weight also. But remember, I have given very clearly the doses that you must take and not beyond that. Otherwise, there can be some severe side effects also. So keep very close watch on how much of each of these spices you are consuming. And of course, do share with everybody, all your known, all your unknown, all your dear, all your nears, all your loved and all your adored, all your enemies, all your foes, all your friends and all your loved ones. And most importantly, do share the video with all the needy. And as I always say, till the time we meet again with another video or a recipe, is thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time, and to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.